State versus Kendall DeSeta, aggravated robbery, 15-264. Good morning, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Do you have an attorney?
She's applied, Your Honor.
Okay.
May I approach?
Yes.
They have standing permission to approach.
Yes. Ma'am, I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you, and you're appearing here for an arraignment on the charge of aggravated robbery. How does she plead?
Your Honor, she pleads not guilty. You ask this matter be set before Judge Webb at his next appearance for taking up issues of bond.
I have you appear before Judge Webb on September 24th at 9:30 a.m. I've entered a plea of not guilty. That'll be all. Thank you. State versus Anna Runau, is that correct? What is it? Runau. 15-263, aggravated robbery, criminal attempt to commit first-degree murder, 15-263. Good morning, ma'am. I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you, and you're appearing for an arraignment. How does she plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor. It asks that a scheduling order be issued in this matter. I will be her attorney.
Very well. We'll send out a scheduling order. Thank you, ma'am. That's all. 15-267, State versus Nicholas Koshkinen. Possession of methamphetamine with purpose to deliver, marijuana, drug paraphernalia.
Your Honor, we'd waive reading of the information or plead not guilty.
Okay. Sir, I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you. On your behalf, the Public Defender's entered a plea of not guilty. I'll schedule your next appearance for October 29th at 10 o'clock a.m. for a pre-trial. Okay? Thank you. That'll be all. 15-266, State versus Stacy Ross. Possession of methamphetamine, drug paraphernalia, driving on suspended, no insurance. Good morning. Ma'am, looking at your application here, do you not have any expenses in your life?
Yes, I do. It's hard to list because I don't actually have a rent to pay.
Say that again, please.
I spoke with her at length yesterday about that issue. She is at this time homeless.
Okay.
And so she didn't have anything to list for sure as current monthly expenses.
She says she makes a couple $1,000s a month take home.
She did. She worked at the hospital as a nurse. She's lost that job
Did.
since.
Okay, very well.
Judge will waive reading of the information on her behalf and her plea of not guilty. Ask that she be set to reappear before Judge Webb.
Very well. Ma'am, I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you. There's been a plea of not guilty entered in your case, and I'm going to direct that you reappear on September 24th at 9:30 a.m. before Judge Gordon Webb. Okay, thank you. That's all we can do. 15-265, State versus Zachariah Zelk. Possession of methamphetamine. Sir, I've appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you, and he pleads.
Not guilty.
Okay. Under that plea of not guilty, we'll have a pretrial on October 29th at 10 o'clock.